Hey guys! So far, we have an empty sketch file and an infinite canvas. And now we're going to define and establish the limits of our canvas to start designing. To do so, we need to create artboards. Let's go to the first element of the toolbar, the Insert button, and click on Artboard. If you're a shortcuts enthusiast, as I am, you can select this option by pressing A. After selecting it, click and drag until creating an artboard on the canvas. You'll see that a new element has been created automatically on the layer panel on the left. This is our first artboard, and here we'll be including one by one all the different sections of our portfolio. Excellent! So here on the right we have the layer list with our first element and the artboard on the canvas. As you can see, this artboard, which is the infinite canvas, has limits. Although it's not the exact size we are going to use for our website, I just made it manually and imprecise. So, select it both from the layer panel or by clicking here on the name at the right upper corner. Guys, have a look at the inspector. It shows a size of 53,008 by 28,733 pixels. Here in the inspector, we can change the size and set it at 1440 by 1044, which equates the screen size of a high-resolution computer. Although this implies writing too much and wasting our energies, right? For this reason, Artboards, activated again with Ctrl-A, offer us some predetermined size, which correspond to the most popular devices format we are going to use for our designs. Click on this pop-up menu and then on Apple devices. Then you'll see a list with different Apple devices, iPhone, iPhone Plus, MacBook, among others. Also, at the top of the list, we can change the device's orientation, so we can select this option if we are working with a landscape format device. Although, don't worry too much about it, since in this course we'll be developing a desktop web, okay? So click again on the pop-up menu and select Now Responsive Web, and here the standard sizes for the web designing are displayed. Searching on Google for the proper size is now over. Sketch eases you this task. This time we're going to use this option, Desktop HD. So let's select it. After clicking, Sketch automatically adds a new artboard on the left panel, which in this case it's called Desktop HD. We can change the name by double-clicking on it. Let's name it Portfolio Home. So this artboard has the proper size to start working with it. It's that simple. But first, delete the artboard we created previously, keeping only the new one. Let's zoom in to see again on the screen the artboard. So, you may wonder, if we create an artboard for each section of the website, what does this page at the top stand for? Well, let's say that after finishing up our web design, we want to adapt it to a phone format. It is. Design it as adapted for a phone interface. In this case, we would have two pages, one called desktop and another phone or mobile. So let's open the Pages menu and create a new one, which we'll be calling mobile. So as I said, there are two pages on the same sketch file. Okay? Let's change the name to the other one as well. Desktop, that's it. So we're going to include in this one all the artboards of our portfolio in desktop format, and in the other mobile, those in mobile format. It's just one option. Another option is using these pages to separate the sections of big websites or to organize diverse webs in the same sketch file. Well, this is the end of this lesson. Put into practice all you learned in this lesson at home and create a new artboard inside the mobile page called Home Mobile to adapt it later to our portfolio. See you later.